which person can call himself or herself primarily as a Muslim? See, there are 5 basic pillars that categorize an individual as a Muslim. Number 1 is Shahada, which is faith. It relates to faith. And it is agreeing with the principle. I hope you are writing it. It is agreeing with the principle. It is believing. Yes, sir, right. It is believing. Sorry. क्या है? लैपटॉप है? अच्छा. It is basically believing the principle. It is believing that there is one God, that is Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is his prophet. When you hear the Shahada, for example, you might have heard it also, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, meaning that there is only one God, that is Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is the prophet. So Shahada, having faith, that is the first basic pillar of Islam. Then the second pillar is what is called Salah. S-A-L-A-H, Salah. Salah is prayer. Prayer. When you look at Surah number 2, ayat number 43. Surah is basically chapter, ayat is verse. It is written like this: Surah and ayat. When you look at Surah number 2, ayat 43 of the Holy Quran, you will see that there is the mention of Salah. And there are 5 prayers or 5 namaz, as you can say. Number 1 is Fajr, F-A-J-R, Fajr. The second is Zohar, Fajr, Zohar, Asr, A-S-R, Asr, Maghrib, M-A-G-H-R-I-B, Maghrib, and Isha. Isha. Isha, right? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. These are the 5, and this refers to 5 different times also when you have to pray. So number 1 is Shahada, having faith. Number 2 is Salah, that is prayer. So you have to have faith. You have to believe that there is only one God, that is Allah, and his prophet is Prophet Muhammad. Second, you have to pray, Salah, and that too 5 times. Third, the third pillar of Islam, Zakat, Z-A-Q-A-T, Zakat. If you refer to Surah number 9, ayat 60, that is Surah Tawbah. The name of the chapter is Surah Tawbah. You will see that it mentions about Zakat. Surah 9, ayat 60. It mentions about Zakat. And it is mandatory. Hadith says that 2.5% of your wealth on the 20th day of Ramadan, you have to give in Zakat. Zakat is charity. You have to give in charity. Hadith says 2.5% of your wealth on the 20th day of Ramadan. And primarily there are 7 categories of people who can be given zakat. यानी कि 7 तरीके के प्राइमरली लोग हैं जिनको जक़ात यानी कि चैरिटी दी जा सकती है. And it is mandatory for Muslims. Number 1, what are the 7 categories? I'll tell you. 7 types of people who can be given zakat. Number 1, poor. Poor, who are also called maskeen. Second, needy. Needy. Third, who are in debt. who are in debt, जिन पे कर्जा है, who are in debt. Fourth, for the cause of Allah, for the cause of Allah. Next, who are converted to Islam, who are converted to Islam. Next, who are held in captivity, who are held in captivity. Next, to zakat distributing organizations. To zakat distributing organizations. Basically, the organizations that give out zakat, you give them the charity and they will distribute it further according to the need of the society. To zakat distributing organizations. Fine? Fine? These are the three pillars. Fourth pillar. Fourth pillar is Sawm. S-A-W-M. Sawm, which is the fasting in the holy month of Ramadan. Sawm. S-A-W-M. Fasting. Fasting or roza as you call it in the holy month of Ramadan. Right? There are two parts also fasting, when you have sehri in the morning and iftari in the evening, but that is not very relevant. The next pillar, Hajj. H-A-J-J. Hajj. Hajj. That is the pilgrimage to Mecca. Hajj. That is the pilgrimage to Mecca. फाइन. क्या हुआ, क्या मिस हो गया? MECCA. MECCA. Fine. So these are the 5 basic pillars of Islam. Person who has faith, Shahada. Person who does Salah, that is prayer, Namaz, that to 5 I have told you. Third, the person who gives Zakat. Fourth, the person who observes fasting or roza in the month of Ramadan. And fifth, the person who goes for Hajj, that is pilgrimage to Mecca. This person is supposed to be and is called a devout and proper Muslim. These 5 pillars are extremely essential, and this is how a person is categorized as a Muslim. Please understand,